Okay, this is just the first of the videos. I'm no good at, I don't have an editing equipment, so right now I'm approximately 3 feet from what's in front of me. The reason I'm showing you this is showing you detail. I'm hand holding it right now. And then I'll come around. I'm going to show you out the window. So we go into brightness. Showing you some detail. Now I'm going to go on outside. And might have to redo this or put it on pause. Okay. Okay, I can't, so I'm going to have to walk it on out. And going down the hallway to my apartment. I'm going outside. Darkness, lightness. Okay. Just show you, try to show you detail outside here. You can see how sharp the rocks are in the back there, so you should have no trouble also picking up license plates. I'm going to point it downwards now. And also going to take and show you a close-up of something, of the wall here, the detail in the textured wall. I'm approximately 15 inches or so from the wall. And I think you can see the detailing that this camera is picking up. Not on long distance, but close up. Yeah, okay, for right now I'm going to stop it.